So this is our project for CS50, which is a website which we call HAP. So it's basically like similar to Eventbrite, where people can post or create events, and they're able to kind of show it in the website, and then have people join in or register for that. And essentially, like a location where they can also search for other events happening within a certain area. So this is our main page. As you can see, we kind of wanted to make the website really look nice, so we put a lot of effort as well on just working on the design aspects to it, like adding videos, other features as well. And just to explain as well that the website was primarily built using the Go language as in the back end for the server side. So for analyzing the data and parsing the HTML websites requests that are being sent. And then, of course, on the front end, we're basically using JavaScript and JavaScript, HTML, CSS for all of that, for all of the front end stuff. So yep, so we can begin. And then, so you'll be able to see that in the main front page, you'll be able to kind of search for different events, firstly through the categories. So we created categories to define all of our events. You can click one, and then essentially it'll show you all of the events that are under this category. And then before that, so we can go back. This second section is basically just kind of to give like a random list of suggested events for the user. So for example, if I refresh the page, I'll be given a separate or a new randomized list. So just so to kind of help users kind of like if they want to, discover new events in their area. And then just finally, just a list of all the events. Right. So additional features for the website also include like a search feature. So for example, here we can kind of search based on the title keyword or also on the location. So for example, if I search for Yale, I'll be able to find all of the events that are happening within Yale or with the keyword of Yale, as well as keywords in the title, so such as barbecue, for example. I'll be able to get that. I can also essentially filter my results by category, so networking, and I can also filter by date. So if I want to see something that's happening within a month, I'll be able to filter that as well, and essentially just restart the filter. So another feature that we have as well is to be able to create an event. So I'll just quickly show you how we can create an event using the website. So start by providing details such as the name of the person organizing, as well as the email address, as well as the title. So you can say like study session for CS50. Location is at Yale School of Management. Another thing we can add is also an image URL, so which you just get from the internet, which will be displayed when we view the event page itself. And then next is just a sample date and time for the event, as well as a description. So let's just say hello there. And then we can also put categories to help make the event clearer for those who are searching. So like if it's a networking event, food event, or volunteerism. So with that done, we get a successful notification, and we get automatically redirected to the event page itself. So from here, we can also see more information and features. So we can see everything we just put down in our form a while ago, but then we also have an additional like donate button. Right now, it doesn't really do anything except like provide like a confirmation message. So if somebody wants to donate, there's just a nice thank you message for them. And they can also, other people can also RSVP into the event, and they'll be added into the attendees list here. So I can give an example. So let's say hello@yale.edu. Again, another toast notification comes out that says you have successfully registered, and that they also receive a confirmation code, which is essentially a hash function that's applied to the email address, just as another layer of security. So there's also the toast above will also show if there are errors. For example, we decided to limit it to just people who have Yale addresses. So if there's someone else who isn't from Yale, so they also get an error message as well. So essentially, that's the main features of our website. Thank you.